Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain the Bnp Paribas joining kit designed to warmly welcome new team members. This thoughtfully curated package provides essential tools and resources, ensuring a smooth start to your journey. It aims to foster a strong sense of belonging and quickly integrate you into the company culture. You will find practical items for both your daily work and personal use, reflecting Bnp Paribas' commitment to your well-being from day one. Let's dive into the specific contents of your joining kit. You will find a personalized welcome card, setting a warm tone, alongside a 5PU notebook for all your important notes. For convenience, an eco-friendly mobile phone holder pen is included. Staying hydrated is easy with a portable thermos bottle, typically holding 500 milliliters. Additionally, an eco-friendly canvas bag is provided, perfect for your daily essentials. Beyond the initial welcome, your kit equips you with essential tools for your role. You will often receive a high-quality laptop, such as an HP EliteBook, ensuring you have powerful technology. A reliable wired mouse and a comfortable headset are also provided to enhance your productivity during calls and tasks. To safeguard your company equipment, a laptop lock is included. These practical tools are designed to support your efficient work from your very first day. The impact of a well-designed joining kit extends far beyond its contents. It significantly boosts morale and enhances your initial engagement with the company. By providing necessary information and tools, it helps reduce anxiety, making your onboarding process much smoother and more enjoyable. This kit also reinforces company values and strengthens brand identity. Ultimately, feeling valued from the start contributes to higher employee retention rates and a more positive work environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.